Hi, my name is Andrew Kurth. I'm here with Red Noland Collision Center. Wanted to take a few seconds today to talk to you about our repair facility and what sets us apart, and also what to expect prior to coming into your repair consult appointment. Here at Red Noland Collision Center, we are committed to the safe and proper repair of your vehicle. This has resulted in our decision to use 100% OEM parts in all vehicles repair. We currently have certifications through Tesla, Subaru, Nissan Infiniti, Honda, and Acura. The use of 100% OEM parts repair in your vehicle allows us the ability to maintain your factory warranty, protect your investment, and ensure that we're putting you back in a safely and properly repaired vehicle for you and your family. Most insurance policies today support the use of aftermarket, used, or reconditioned parts in the repair of your vehicle. This puts you, the consumer, in a position that you may have an out-of-pocket co-payment above and beyond any deductible you may carry. We want to make sure this is a good fit for you and your vehicle. If you have any other questions, please reach out to our receptionist and she can connect you with one of our appraisers to answer any further questions you may have. Thank you.